Okay.
Okay. So whoever can fit the most by saying chubby bunny.
Okay. Ready? Okay.
Chubby bunny.
Chubby bunny.
That's so gross.
2. Chubby bunny.
Chubby
You're a failure.
bunny.
Really, chubby bunny.
I lost it too.
Yeah.
Yeah, marshmallow all over your face.
Oh, chubby bunny.
This is so gross.
That was disgusting. It's not Play-Doh.
Can you please try this? This is so fun. Ew!
Wait, with 1 or 2?
2.
Okay.
Let's mush them together.
I dropped one.
They're so gross. So gross.
Oh, look at these fab hands.
Aren't they pretty?
This looks like a
Jizz.
bunny. I was gonna say a chopped up bunny who spit out a fur ball, and this is what it looked like. Because bunnies spit out fur balls.
Not
and,
chopped up bunnies.
And then they got chopped
bunnies
up.
are dead.
This is a bunny's fur ball.
That is so cool.
It is, isn't it?
Ew, go like this.
Whoa,
Ew.
stop!
Ready?